Getting drywall screw holes visible after painting is super annoying, but fixing them is easier than you think if you know the right tricks. So, first off, grab some joint compound because that stuff is magic for filling in those tiny holes. Use a putty knife to spread the compound over the hole and make sure you press it in good so it fills completely. Let it dry completely. Don't rush this part because if it's still wet, you'll mess up your smooth finish. Once dry, sand the spot gently with fine grit sandpaper until it feels flush with the wall. If you notice any dips or cracks after sanding, just add a little more joint compound and repeat the sanding once it's dry. Then, prime the patch spots before painting so the paint sticks well and doesn't show a different texture. When you do paint, use thin coats and feather out the edges to blend perfectly with the rest of the wall. Trust me, this makes your walls look flawless without those annoying holes standing out. One of the biggest issues with drywall screw holes visible after painting is not filling the holes properly, which leaves depressions that catch the light. The fix is using enough joint compound and pressing it firmly into the hole. Another common mistake is skipping the sanding step or sanding unevenly, which causes bumps or ridges that paint highlights. The solution here is to sand lightly and evenly with fine grit paper until everything feels smooth. Lastly, people often forget to prime patched areas, resulting in uneven paint absorption and noticeable patches. To avoid this, always apply a primer layer over filled holes before you paint to get an even color and finish. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making home repairs way less stressful. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work by joining the platform, so everyone wins when it comes to fixing stuff like drywall screw holes properly.